How to check Instagram call history. If any day you would like to check your Instagram call history but do not know how to do that, then don't worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to learn the Instagram application on your mobile device. In order to do that, you can go to the search section of your mobile device, search Instagram application out there, and tap on the Instagram application and launch it. Otherwise, you can just manually search the Instagram application by scrolling left or right. And after you find it, you have to tap on the very Instagram application there. After you tap on the very Instagram application on your mobile device, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the very chat section on the top section, which is on the top right. After you tap on the very chat section on the top, you will see the very chat messages section there and the various kind of messages. After that, you have to go to the very person which you would like to see the audio call history of. And this way, you can see the very audio call history of the person that you want. If not, you can go to the three dots on the top as well. Going to the three dots on the top or going to the filter option as well, you can see the very chat history or the very call history that you would like to go. You can also go to the option of the tools like that. So this is the way on how you can see the call history on your very Instagram application. So if you like it, then just do all of the steps. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel and also to follow our channel for more this kind of TED videos as well.